Hello everyone, so in today's video I'll be making a sports poster design, and this time I'll be using the photo of Toni Kroos as he is recently added to Real Madrid's Legends list as he bid goodbye to Real Madrid club, and after yesterday's loss in the Euro Cup he also bid goodbye to German national team also. So to remember him as a football legend, I am designing this sport poster. Hope you like this tutorial. So without further delay, I'll be sharing with you the images or the PNG files which I'll be using from the third party sources. First I will share with you and then I will share the design with you. Okay, so this is the logo. As you can see, it's a Real Madrid club logo. So you can directly get the download link from the description. So this is the logo, and the picture which I'll be using is this one. Okay, so both I have already uploaded in Canva, but if you want to use both the images, the link will be in the description. Okay, so let's start. So I'll be choosing Instagram post as my canvas, and I will click on this, and first I will add a soccer stadium. So as you can see, it's a soccer football stadium with floodlights. So this image I will be adding here, and I will right click and set image as background. I will click on edit, and after that I will just scroll down here to find the blur effect here, and after that I will click on whole image and increase the intensity. Keep it to 55. Okay, so this background is being set up. Now I'll use the uploaded images which I set for the logo and the image, and for this I will bring first this one, the logo. As you can see, it is in black color, so I'll first resize it, and after that I will click on edit again, scroll down to duotone, click on custom, change both the colors to white. Okay, so this one is done. Now after that I will click on it, edit again, and after that I will come to shadows here, click on glow, and here in size it will be 5, blur amount will be 30, intensity will be 100, and the color will be white again. Click outside the frame, and as you can see the glow effect is looking perfect. Now I will use this image, okay, and just make it slightly bigger. Click on background remover, and as you can see the background is properly removed, but there is a problem. As you can see the picture is a bit hazy. For that we will go to edit, scroll down, we will find image upscaler, we will click on 3x and upscale image. So I will click on replace here, okay, so this one is done. After that we'll just make it bigger, the image. So these parts are not required, so we can easily scroll down and crop it according to our requirement. Just make it slightly bigger. Okay, so this one is done. Now let's work on the logo and make it slightly more bigger. And just center it. Okay, so this is a simple poster, sports poster to dedicate to the legend Toni Kroos, who was a German national team footballer till yesterday, because his team lost to Spain in the Euro Cup, and he recently is being added to the legends list of Real Madrid, as he played the last season of 2023-24 for Real Madrid and also won the UEFA Champions League for the same year. Okay, so this is the poster design and I hope you liked it, and please share your feedback and please subscribe to the channel to see more beautiful posters like this. Thank you.